So before I go on to the history, I would just like to summarize and say that clinical hypnotherapy is a very rewarding profession. I have been in this line for many, many years. Coming from the medical background, coming into hypnotherapy, it was initially something new, but I have never looked back. And every day when I see clients, it has always been a very rewarding experience, very fulfilling feeling that I receive each and every day. Next, it's a therapy in its own right, meaning it's a stand-alone therapy. It is not a part of any other therapy, neither does it need another therapy to hold it on its own. Okay, so it's a therapy in its own right. You can be a part-time or a full-time clinical hypnotherapist once you have completed the course. So it's basically completely up to the therapist. So some of our therapists, they have existing careers, they have existing psychotherapies that they may be a part of. So this would be a part-time job. Some, it's a full career change. Someone like me who left the medical profession and came full-time into being a clinical hypnotherapist. So it's completely up to the therapist to decide. All right. It integrates with other therapists. So if a person has got a degree in the counseling, for example, or psychology or psychiatry or any other psychotherapies, it does integrate with these therapies. And it also can integrate with other professions, meaning HR. We also have students who are from the legal background, students who are from the business background, and so on. So it can integrate with other professions as well. And finally, having gone through the course, having treated clients for all these years and so on, I can firmly say that it does bring a sense of personal well-being to the therapist. Each time you deliver a therapy session to a client, you in turn too start feeling better. Things around you do start to change and you will experience it. It's difficult to actually describe the feeling, but as you go on in the course, if you do decide to take, you will actually realize that as you deliver hypnosis scripts to your clients, you in fact are able to receive the benefits and you find yourself going through a phase of relaxation, calmness, and being able to see things around you with a different perspective, a more positive way of viewing life. So it is twofold. One, the benefit is there for the client, and at the same time, the benefit is also there for the therapist. Okay.